And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think they'd understand when everything's made to be broken. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're gonna learn how to play Iris by the Goo Goo Dolls. Today's chords that we need for this song are A, B minor, D, E minor, and then G. So if you know all those chords, I will put a skip to section right up here. You can skip up to any section in the video that you want. Also, what I do want to note is that the full play along for this song, which is the chords and lyrics on screen while I strum and sing the entire song, is already live on the YouTubes right now for free. I'll leave a link in the description below. I'll also leave a link in the top of the comments. Definitely go check that out after you learn the chords. But with that being said, let's go ahead and learn where we put our fingers on the uke for each chord coming up. Alright, so now that we're zoomed in and you have a better vantage point of the uke and also my fingers, now let's talk about where we're going to place our fingers on the uke. As always, I will have a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke because I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see and then also have me talk you through it. So, that being said, let's talk about the first chord, which is the A chord. And how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 1st fret. And then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret, so your fingers should look like that, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the B minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to go over all 4 strings on the 2nd fret, and then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 4th fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the D chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. So your fingers are occupying the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string on the 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. Perfect. The next chord that we need is the E minor chord, and how I always say it looks like a staircase going and down. How we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And then finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 3rd string, 4th fret. So your fingers should look like this, and it should sound like this. And last but not least is the G chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place your middle finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And it should look like this, and it should sound like this. And there you have it. Alright, so those are all the chords that we need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and then once the chords sound crisp and clear, press play, and now let's talk about how we're going to play the song with the strumming pattern coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords, and now let's talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming patterns. As always, I will teach you a couple different ways you can play this song because I feel like variety is awesome these days, you know what I mean? But the first way we're going to do this is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I ain't got time for no strumming patterns. I just started playing the uke a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago. I'm seriously just getting through the chords. I love the song, but don't teach me strumming patterns. I want the simplest version of this song. I got you. So the simplest version is going to be with an easy down strum. So you're gonna strum down with your thumb. Again, you're gonna strum all 4 strings. As soon as you see a new chord change, you're gonna strum down. And as always, the full downloadable PDF chord sheet for this song will be available on Patreon. I'll leave a link in the description below, also linked in the top of the comments. And the chord sheet is basically consists of the full lyrics and the chord right above the words, so you know exactly when to change chords. Literally, when you're singing it, you know, oh, there's a D right above the I, boom, change chords to D. Oh, E minor above the U, up, boom, change chords to E minor. Literally so simple and super easy to follow along. That will be linked down below. It's a monthly subscription service and it definitely helps out this channel. So everything will be linked in the description below. If you do want to get access to that, it'll be on Patreon. But again, as soon as you see a new chord change, just strum down. And it'll sound absolutely amazing. All right, so the second way we can play this song is going to be with an actual strumming pattern. And that strumming pattern is going to be a down, up, down, up. Again, the strumming pattern is going to be a down, up, down, up. And let's talk about the chords, because majority of the chords is going to get a 1 strumming pattern of the down, up, down, up. But the only chord that is going to get 2 strumming patterns is going to be the G, which is going to be a down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So I'm going to put chord sequence of what kind of looks like majority of the song, which is D, E minor, G, and then you go B minor, A, G. So again, if we just talked about it, G is the only chord that gets 2 strumming patterns of the down, up, down, up. So D gets 1 strumming pattern, E minor gets 1 strumming pattern, G gets 2. And then we go to B minor, 1 strumming pattern, A, 1 strumming pattern, and then G gets 2. So if you do that in sequence, it's going to sound something like this. And as always, for your convenience, the full ukulele play along is already live on the YouTube channel. Again, I'll leave a link in the description below, also linked in the top of the comments. And that video consists of the chords and lyrics on screen while I strum and sing the entire song. So it's a super easy play along for you to follow. Again, go check that out if you want. There's also a bunch of other videos that you can watch, tutorials and play alongs on this channel. So if you are new here, definitely go check out the other stuff on this channel. I'd love you forever. So we talked about the chords and the strumming for this song. Congratulations. You now know how to play Iris by the Goo Goo Dolls on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube if you haven't already. Also, if you have just recently subscribed to this channel, welcome to the Uke fam, the best Uke fam on the YouTubes, in my opinion. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. Also, links to everything, to my socials, to my merch, to my signature uke, to all that good stuff will be linked in the description below. If you want to go follow me on your most used platforms, it's just going to be at Ricky Somborn for everything. Definitely add me on your most used socials and send me a DM letting me know what video you came from. Also, if you have any song recommendations, leave them in the comments below. Let me know. I'm always loving to hear what you guys like to listen to, what you want to learn. Let me know. I am here to listen. So thank you so much for watching. Again, also, I'm wearing Bernadette Teaches Music merch. If you do want to go get that, I'll leave a link in the description below. Let's show some love to other creators on this platform. And if you don't know who she is, you're living under a rock. If you don't know who she is, I'll leave a link to her channel also below. Go check it out. Go support. She's absolutely fantastic. If you want to learn anything about music theory or just anything uke and music related, that is going to be your channel. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye. 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 All right, I'll see you later. Bye.